So first box, this is the good one. So just came in today. I've been waiting for this, and I know I probably could have got it from that Kickstarter or whatever the thing it was on, but I waited until it was on Amazon. So, dun, 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 dun. Got ourselves a new OBSBOT camera. Also, the headset I'm using is newer as well, so I'm constantly testing that. So this is the OBSBOT Tail Air. This is one of their newest models. It's actually not that big. I mean, even the box itself. And this is supposed to have, I mean, a lot of ways of connecting and utilizing it. But, you know, anyone that knows me knows I like NDI. It's NDI compatible, but you have to buy a NDI license. So let's get this plastic off and let's take a quick look. I know this is very hard to see. I could barely see it. Let's get this baby open. And then I just want to take a look at it. I'll probably do another video with me actually setting it up if I could, or if I think about it. Because again, I'm horrible at setting up my videos. I normally just hit go live or record and I just go. So I need for 2024, I need to be a little bit more structured and planned and not just hit record and go. So what right here. All right, let's take a look, see. All righty. Paperwork, manuals. Ooh, it's in a case. That is perfect. I love it already. You already got your travel case. Bam. Done. Box is empty now. Oh, I'm loving it already. So let me go ahead and just pop this box back together. Toss it somewhere on the side. It's got its own case. Ah, love it. OBSBOT right on there. It's probably waterproof and stuff, but I'm not going to get it wet on purpose. Let's open up the case and take a look at this. All right, so got a little side pocket here. Got the cables there. Oh, wait, there's a couple things in here. There's 3 things in here. These are probably tips. These are tips. Let's take a look at what's in the pouches. I know it's all cables. So we have a USB-A to USB-C. Looks like the camera's USB-C, so it's going to go USB-C to the camera, USB-A to your computer. Let's get that out. Oh, that is weird looking. Looks like it's like a splitter in a way, because it looks like it's USB-C here, and then it's going to come out to 2. So that's cool. All right, let's rip up the next bag. No, I'm wrong again. USB-C to USB-A out, but interesting connector. So like I was saying, see if we could get that up there. You got your single, and then it comes out to a double. And then this just converts it over. You can see that. Up these back down there. Wrap the cable up a little bit because I'm not actually going to test the camera right now. I'll get a little Ziploc bag or something for that. So let's bring the camera out. Fits in there real nice. I mean, I am really liking this case because if you look closely at the case, it's got the compartment to hold the head in properly, and then you have the body. But other than that, that's it for this case. And then if we look around, all right, so there's the quarter 20. quarter, was it quarter 20? Looks like something would connect to this. I'm wondering if they sell some kind of base that this thing would sit on. You got your power button. Okay, yeah, so I was getting confused, I think, with these connections. So I'll have to look it up. This looks like it's where you would put your micro SD card. I'm not familiar with this connection, but I'm guessing this is the USB-C. So I'm guessing this will plug in there. There it goes. And now you have a twofer for whatever reason. I'll have to look into that. And then you got your cable that would plug into there, and then you would plug into your computer. Now, I probably already have a cable around here that would work. So I might just try to unplug that and move it over. Let me see. There's 4 dots here. If I had to take a guess, that's your power level. So it's all the way on the very first dot. So the battery's very, very weak on this. I'm going to open the software. So let's see if I could do demo mode. And then let me look for the OBSBOT software. I don't normally use it. Is it this one? This one. Let's see what happens if I open it up. Let's get rid of this just in case. Yep, there it goes. It's opening here. Let's see. Says I only have the one. Let's see what happens if I do add a device. Connect. It says connect Tail Air to Wi-Fi. Let's see what happens. Okay. Next. I'm going to take it off demo mode because we don't need to be advertising all my network information. I hope so. If not, I'll have to look up my own password for that Wi-Fi. I have too many networks, so it confuses me. Oh, all right. It says we're connected. So let's go back to demo mode here. It says we're connected. So I'm connecting it to, I guess, Wi-Fi. I'm going to hit done. And now it says I got 2 cameras. Now we're in the air. All right. So this is the air. And the battery is only 20%. So yeah, so that's one thing there. All right. So let's see. All right, so you could see it because I have it in demo mode. And now that I'm thinking about it, this is very nice that it's controllable from the computer. So I could just do this from the computer. I'm pretty sure you could do presets. Zoom in, zoom out. Once I figure out how all this stuff works, it'll be better. Let me turn that off. What is... All right, we got console, we got image. So it is autofocus, autofocus mode, face, exposure. I'll work on all this stuff later on. White balance, everything's standard and auto. Beauty, I don't care about beauty stuff. More auto power off, timing, output. UVC mode, I'm going to say no. I don't have the adapter. NDI, activate. I'm going to have to activate that. RTSP mode, could bring the camera in that way. Media settings, resolution 4K. Okay, that I'm going to drop to 1080. I'm sorry, I'm not doing 4K. Encoding for RTMP. Ooh, H.265, definitely. HDMI output, so I could just connect it with the HDMI cable. Did I see that? Maybe that's what that one connection is. It's like some mini HDMI. All right. This has a lot of stuff. Oh, geez. It's going to have to learn all this stuff. SD card, I have to order a card for this. Firmware version, it says update. Let's see if it just updates or is going to want me to pick some kind of firmware or something like that. New firmware is available. I'm going to say yes. Please insert the SD card before upgrading the firmware. So I have to get an SD card. And then let me see. Looks like the card slot is here. There might be an HDMI, like a micro or something HDMI. So I have to get an adapter for that. All right, so that's going to be it for this video.